Diet starts Monday, huh? Thank you.
No problem. You can, like,
let's see how this goes. Boom.
We push tacos.
Thank fuck it is Friday, and this is probably going to sound dog shit because we've got no mic on at the moment, but this weekend Sabotage Motorcycles is putting a tacos and beers day on for everyone, so we're going to pull out one of the bikes. We've probably got about a 2-hour ride up north. We're going to go through the national park and we want to take you along with us. But tonight, the crew at Lost Pizza is slinging pizzas at Bass Point Brewing, so we're going to head out for a ride and take you along with us. Come on, John. Come on, yes. Yo! Yeah. Oh.
oh my god. Yeah.
They're the best.
Honestly, it's so good. Did you try the hot honey one yet?
This homemade dough.
So what kind?
It's different.
What kind is it? What's this one?
No idea.
It's like prosciutto, maybe some burrata, some sun-dried tomatoes and olives, some fresh Parmesan, and then this is their hot honey, but extra spicy with a little bit of Parmesan on top, fresh basil. Damn, Daddy.
Let's see how this goes. Alright, let's kick it. Good morning. It is Saturday morning, as you can see. Weather's looking a bit dog shit north, but we're off to Sydney today. The boys at Sabotage are throwing a bit of a piss up on, so we got tacos out there as well. So we've got the old Love Boat out, and I'm not sure which way we'll go yet, but we'll try and hit a bit of National Park, head over Seacliff Bridge, and stick pretty coastal, but we'll see what the weather does to us. So. Appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Really good.
We push tacos.
Oh, going on, brother? Oh, aircon.
Mr. Filthy himself.
How you doing?
How you doing, Phil?
Happy New Year.
And to you.
Shop's looking good, mate. Got some nice looking bikes.
Thanks, mate. Yeah, some cool stuff at the moment.
A lot of cool sporties.
A lot of sporties in at the moment, you know? What's going on there?
Oh, actually, we got some goodies for you. I would have got carried away talking shit the whole time. Got you some those gloves you wanted. Dangerous day to be a beer. Boom.
I'm glad you recommended it.
Alright, this is the Pink Lemonade Sour. Horrible. Grifter Pale Ale. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How's this Gandalf looking mother? Yeah, the boys. That's a spirit. Let's have a look. Damn. Diet starts Monday, huh? Always.
What do you want now?
Oh. I don't know. What do we got? Do you remember what they are?
Yeah, okay. Strawberry chocolate salted caramel, coffee walnut scroll, apple fritter.
Damn, I'm going with the Big Daddy.
Alright, go for it.
And that's a wrap. If you enjoy this type of content, then stick around as we have a bunch of shows and events coming up. Kicking off with Newey Choppin' this weekend. In the meantime, head to our socials, Instagram or Facebook at Filthy Leather Co. And shout out to all 37 of you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.